Kappa chana or boiled chana is essentially a well-seasoned chana served in a cup, hence the name. Kappa chana is a hearty, savory and spicy snack food enjoyed at bars or after a night of partying or liming. Contrary to its origins and claim to fame, it is undeniably the healthiest snack in the world, if made my way. Similar to doubles chana, my Kappa chana recipe is so versatile it can be enjoyed alone on doubles bara, in a Trinidad bread and chana sandwich, with rice or roti. If you're interested, let's start cooking.
Here I have 1 pound of chana, chickpeas, garbanzo beans that I soaked overnight. Actually, this is the second day. I really need to start cooking this. And I soaked with a teaspoon of baking soda, and I'll rinse it and drain it. Rinse several times. Pour it in, add water. 6 cups of water and about 1 to 2 teaspoons turmeric, depending how yellow you like it. I'll add 2 tablespoons of green seasoning. The printable recipe will have the exact ingredients. Minced garlic, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Gentle stir. And then we'll place it to cook. We don't add salt yet. And don't forget the hot pepper. If you like things a little spicy, you can chop it, add a small piece, or add it whole. Place the cover on. Line up the arrows. Select beans, 20. And that's it. Next I'll move it to quick release. I usually add something on the top to prevent it from dirtying the ceiling. Some Instant Pots may have a quick release button, but this doesn't. Once the button is down, you can turn it. Smells delicious. It's fully cooked. I'll add salt and ground roasted cumin. Stir. And you want to stir this for a couple of minutes. And you can put on the saute feature somewhere around here to allow it to continue to cook. You want that to soften up. I'll get the bandana ready. I just want to show you how tender it is. It's fully cooked. While on saute, you want to mash a little bit of the chana to help thicken the sauce. You can take it out and blend it and put it back in. Be careful not to burst that pepper if you don't like it spicy. Just mash. Or continue to cook. You could put it on the stove and continue to cook until it thickens. So this will take a couple of minutes. As you can see, this is just too watery for bread and chana or even doubles. You just allow it to simmer down until it thickens. Maybe another 15 minutes and then it will be done. I'll show you when it's done. You can even place this, if it's stainless steel, on the stove. This is called bandana, culantro or shadabeni. It's a seasoning or the secret behind Indian cooking. Next, I've added more roasted ground cumin and the green seasoning that we just blended. Just give it a mix. As you can see, it's beginning to thicken. Another 5 or 10 minutes and it will be perfect.
I ground a little bit of the chana and added it to the mixture.
And it has cooled down, and I just wanted to show you how the texture is still perfect. It still has a little float to it. The seasoning is perfect, the salt is perfect, and this, you can eat this like you would in boiled chana, kappa chana, doubles chana, or bread and chana. It's perfect for anything. You could even eat it with rice or roti. I hope you give this a try. It's absolutely delicious and simply amazing. Full of protein and nutrition. We did not even add oil to this. It's absolutely healthy. And that pepper accidentally burst there, and if you're a pepper lover, I'm sure you're imagining and you can envision the flavor of the pepper in there. Next, let me get started on the bread so that we can make a bread and chana sandwich. And it's so flavorful, you really don't need to add anything at this point, but you can if you wish. We're not making baby food. All the seasonings are absolutely perfect. That's it, cup of chana.